is Walmart stock on clearance. We can see it's around $59 a share. A few months ago, they had a 3-to-1 stock split going to around $175 a share, down to around $58 per share. With over $100 billion of annual revenue, they still have a great net income of around $4 to $5 billion. Yet this is a 10% decrease from following quarters. That means there's good news and bad news with this situation. The bad news is if you're holding right now, you're really not making any gains. The good news is if you haven't bought any of this stock, now is the time to buy, as Walmart stock is in the clearance aisle. If you have high hopes that the stock market regarding retail will get better, then I think Walmart is a fantastic buy. After their election, dependent on who's being elected or not, would be a big factor. If people are going to have more dispensable income to spend at retail stores such as Walmart. If Walmart took in $5 billion in net income and has made $100 billion in revenue during these hard times where we are so close to an economical recession, I think it's safe to say that Walmart will prevail and their stock will rise to the occasion.